Good morning. So today we're going to, I got a wild hair on my back and I decided, hey, you know what, we're going to build a bicycle jump. I need to get these kids out of the house and give them something that they can enjoy. So we're going to teach them how to cut wood and drive some screws and pre-drill holes. So today we're going to be using a 4x8 sheet of plywood. It's 11/32, interior exterior grade, and we also are going to be using 2x4s and 2x2s for the framing. We used 1.5-inch screws, and if this is going to be left outdoors, I would recommend using pressure treated wood. This is, like I said, the plywood is interior exterior, but the 2x4s we just use the common stud because we'll be bringing it inside when we're not using it. So what we did is we measured out 27 inches and reserved this for the top. And then what we did is we measured from the edge out 1 foot at 1 foot increments. So we measured 6 inches, made a mark, 8 inches, made a mark, 10 inches, made a mark, 12 inches, made a mark. And then we did a steep decline, which I'm regretting doing now, but maybe next time we'll just kind of use the same grade. I was kind of hoping that we could use this for either technical work or maybe bunny hopping or something else. So what we did is we essentially kind of connected the dots in a better fashion than this on the plywood. Then we took this piece that we cut out and applied it on this side and traced it, and then we cut it out as well. It's not to spec, but you get the point. So this will be one side and this is the other side. And here's Jason. He's going to cut the frame pieces. So we're going to have 2x2s, 2x4s, and 1x4s. And just prior to this, we cut our tops and side. Now Blake's going to secure the sides to the frame. What's work without any playing? And here we secured the steepest side of the top, watered it down to let some water soak in to hopefully make it flexible and make it bend. Then here's a finished product. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, we kept riding for the rest of the night. Something new, something fun to do as a family, you know, a nice little group project, and we all get to feel the fruits of our labor. But if you have any questions, please feel free to comment, like, subscribe, dislike. I don't know, you can't really do that, but if you have any other questions, please let me know. If there's something we can do better next time, let me know. It's still not 100% done. Some of the wood did dry out and did start to split at the apex, or just coming on the downslope of that. So anyway, thanks for watching and have a nice day.